What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. What I want to address in today's video is I want to give you 7 side hustles you can start in 2020. The cool thing that's going on right now. Now, the bad thing is a lot of people are out of work. A lot of people don't have jobs to go to. They're struggling to put food on the table. That's the bad thing. But here's the cool thing. That whenever you are pushed, whenever your back's against the wall, and you can only move forward, the cool thing that happens is you get stuff done. You take action. And so I want to give you this list of 7 side hustles you can start in 2020 so you can just start and get going. Start making some money today. Now inside this list, I'm going to give you a bunch of different ideas. These are just ideas. Now, in other videos that I'll be doing later on and some that I've already done, I show you how to do all these things. So make sure you watch my following videos. Okay, if you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Now, let's jump into this one. The first side hustle you can start in 2020, which I think is an incredible business idea, is to start selling face masks on Etsy. Now you're probably thinking, well, how do I sell a face mask? Isn't that kind of going to be price gouging? Because face masks don't cost that much. They don't. But when you create them yourself, you're not going to go buy a face mask for $2 and then sell it on Etsy for $19. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is take some fabric that you have laying around. Could be an old sheet, an old shirt, or go to the store and buy some new stuff and create different face masks based on superheroes and sayings and just different colors. Okay, different designs. And by doing this, you can easily make a face mask for, let's say, under $1. Okay, you got the mask material, plus you have the elastic that goes around your ears. The cool thing about this is you can be in it for less than $1 a piece. It takes you, I'd say, about 20 minutes to make a mask, and that's pretty slow from what I've heard. So you're in about 20 minutes to make one mask. You sell it for $15 with shipping and your fees on Etsy. You're still going to make about $10 profit. That's for 20 minutes worth of work. Cool thing is, you can make 3 masks in 1 hour. So, you're going to make about $30 per hour making face masks on Etsy. Now, the second way or the second side hustle you can start in 2020, which I think is an incredible opportunity, something that I have been doing since I was 18 years old, is stock trading. Now, don't click away, don't go anywhere yet, because I know a lot of people that look at stocks and they're like, no, that's scary, that's really risky. And it is in a way, but here's the cool thing, is stocks are so cheap right now. You look at Ford, okay, which is a very good company, been around for a long time, it's selling for less than $10. Okay, you can make some money there. You look at American Airlines, that as of shooting this is like $17, but the majority of people that I know, we, including myself, purchased this when it was down in the $10 range. So we're already making money. You look at companies like Norwegian Airlines or Norwegian Cruise Lines, who is not really making a lot of money right now because their cruise ships are parked and are just sitting. So because of that, you can buy in at a very low price, and when they start doing cruises again, the price goes back up. The same thing has happened with companies like MGM. If you don't know who MGM is, they are like a hotel out of Las Vegas, and they have other locations, I believe, as well. Cool thing is, they were trading very cheaply. They were trading, again, under the $10 mark. And now they're up, I think, in the up over 20, I believe. Okay, don't quote me on that. I don't know for sure, but I think they're right around there. I'll have to look, but like 18, 20 bucks, somewhere around there. Okay, companies like that. So you can buy in at a low price. Wait for these companies to open up these stores like Dave & Buster's or movie theaters or different restaurants. Open up, they start getting some sales, and their prices double. Okay, that's the cool thing with the stock. Okay, the stock market is a great way and a great place to make some money. It's a cool little side hustle you can start in 2020, and it doesn't take a lot of money to begin. Now, one thing I just want to address and want to add is that you can get 1 free stock by signing up through Robinhood. And the best part is you do not even have to put any money into your account. You open up a Robinhood account using the link down in the description box below, and you will get 1 free stock. It could be Facebook, which is valued at over $220. The third side hustle you can start in 2020, something that I personally like because I am using this, is an online tutor for kids. So if you know anything about math, reading, science, okay, it doesn't matter, art, you can become an online tutor and tutor other people's kids. The cool thing is, with Zoom, you can now communicate face to face with somebody over the internet. You don't even have to be in the same city. And technically, you don't even have to be in the same country, and you can start making some money. So, if you've ever thought about educating America's youth, educating anybody's youth, you can start doing this. Now, one thing that I want to say when it comes to doing any type of online tutoring, there are websites out there, none of which I'm going to recommend in today's video, simply because there are some recommendations or some requirements that you have to go through and have to have in order to use some of these different websites. So I don't know what the new requirements are because of all the changes that have happened recently. So because that's the reason why I'm not going to include any of these websites. I'll have to do my research later on and I can get back to you on that. But if you've ever thought about becoming an online tutor or doing tutoring in general, now's the time to do it. And you can make a lot of money. You can easily make $40, $50, even $100 per hour by tutoring other people's kids. Have you ever thought about, wow, it would be cool if I could teach somebody how to do something? That would be a good business idea. I think I could do that. Well, one of the things that I've done, especially more recently, I've been creating a lot of online courses because I have seen the writings on the wall that people are looking to educate themselves online. Going to a college is not the new normal. Going to a college is what a lot of people do, but do they really get an education? Some people, they get a certificate, they get a diploma, but are they educated in real life situations? In most cases, no. So that's where online education comes in. You can become a course creator, specifically with a website called Udemy.com. On Udemy.com, the nice thing is you can teach people anything. You can teach people how to lose weight, how to do Photoshop, how to run a marathon, how to climb a tree, become a drone pilot, how to fly an airplane. You can do anything. You can teach people almost anything on Udemy.com. And the cool thing is, you can charge $10 for a course, you can charge $100 for a course, you can charge $500 for a course. On Udemy.com, there really is no limit. And the best part about this is, they take a very small fee of the purchase. So you don't pay anything up front. They take a very small fee once somebody buys your course. The best part about that is, you can start today for free. Now, one of my favorite side hustles, and you've probably heard me talk about this in the past, I've created many videos on this exact same topic, is to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. That's kind of what I'm doing right here, okay? I'll put links down in the description box, and some of them will be affiliate links. I'll make a small commission if you go and buy whatever product, and that's great. I'm helping you out, and it doesn't cost you anything extra for me to make some money by becoming an affiliate. The nice thing about doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, and if you don't know exactly what affiliate marketing is or how to get started, I'm going to put a link down in the description box below where I show you how to make $500 per month with one single YouTube video. So if you haven't gone through that training, again, I'll put a link down in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. Now you're probably thinking, well, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I don't know how to create a video on that. What would I do? Here's the cool thing with affiliate marketing is that you don't talk about affiliate marketing, you talk about a product. This right here is a portable drive made by Seagate. This is, I think, 1 terabyte. Okay, it's a smaller one, but I use this every once in a while when I create YouTube videos. The nice thing about this is, I think this one sells for right around $60. So, if I were to promote this on my YouTube video, I do a quick little review, talk about it, why I like it, why it's so small. It's very portable. You can see how thin it is compared to my hand. Okay, it's a nice little portable drive. Cool thing about it is I create a quick little video. I put a link to it to sell this on Amazon. People go to Amazon, buy it, and I make a quick little commission. That's why I like affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now, maybe doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is not exactly what you want to do. That's not the side hustle you want to start in 2020. No big deal. Maybe a good idea, because maybe you have an Instagram account, you have a TikTok account, and you're getting views, you're getting people to follow you. Maybe the business opportunity that you want to jump into is doing merch sales, doing print-on-demand merchandise sales. And this is a great business. This is something that I do as well, and I mainly do it with Amazon. It's called Merch by Amazon, and I personally love doing it with merch. And the nice thing about this is I create the design, and when it sells, Amazon will go and create the product, ship it to the customer, and then I make a small little fee. Okay, it's cool. It's a great little side hustle. And the best part about it is you don't have to really go out there and talk to people and get them to buy, get them to, pay you for anything. Amazon's kind of doing it for you. And so that's the nice thing. Now you can run ads and do all that, and I'm not getting into that in this video, but what you can do is really limitless. There's so many options when it comes to doing any type of merchandise online. Now, the 7th side hustle that you can start in 2020 is doing a niche podcast. You're probably thinking, what is a niche podcast? It's actually pretty simple. It's a podcast where you go on and talk. It's like radio, but it's all online. Okay, cool little thing. But you probably have heard of a podcast before. But what is a niche podcast? A niche podcast, it's very specific to a certain topic. For example, mountain biking. You're probably thinking, why would somebody listen to a podcast about mountain biking? It's because they have an interest in it. And it's really easy to make money. You put up a podcast. You start talking about your subject, okay? Your topic, your niche. And from that day on, okay, you just create more and more podcasts about this exact same topic. You talk about different mountain bikes. You talk about different equipment, different trails, tips and tricks to become the best mountain biker in the world. You bring on guests and you make it a whole thing. And by doing this, what happens is people will start to pay you. Not really people, but companies will start to pay you to sponsor. Okay, they're going to be your sponsor. Now, the cool thing about this is all you got to do is say, hey, we're going to talk to you about mountain biking. This video is actually brought to you by Trek. Trek is our sponsor for this video. Thank you, Trek, for sponsoring this video, whatever. And there you go. You just gave your sponsor a quick little shout out. That's what they paid for. And you move on and you start your podcast. Now, a lot of people are starting podcasts. You can start them for free. There are free podcasting softwares out there that you can get on the computer and on your phone. So go out there, find which one works best for you, and just start. Now, the last thing I just want to say is if you are not starting a side hustle in 2020, then you're missing out. Now is the time to start it. Most people that I have come in contact with, whether it's online or in person, have only one income stream. And I can tell you that is not a good idea. With what's been happening in the economy, what's been happening around the world, having one income stream is a horrible idea. My recommendation is you need to have at least 3. Have 3 main income streams. And if you possibly can, 7 is the goal. 7 income streams is where you want to be. Because, and I don't know where this number came from, but what I can tell you is the average millionaire has 7 income streams. So if you want to be a millionaire or potentially a billionaire, you need to have more income streams. So there you guys go. Those are the 7 side hustles you can start in 2020. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully this list gave you some ideas that you can do on your own. But if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, like always, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.